Hello, everyone, and welcome to my weather broadcast. I'm going to start out with precipitation, of course. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Speaking of rain, New York is getting some rain right now, pretty much across the entire state. There's a little bit of dry areas here, but they got soaked yesterday. Hi, John. And hi, Mark. And who else didn't I say hello to in chat? Let's see. Looks like I've already greeted everyone. Let me know if you can hear me, please, because I don't really know. Yes, that's right. Unless it's specifically not copyrighted, then you have to be very careful even then. So anyway, we got some thunderstorms here just east of Binghamton, and currently we're getting rain on where I'm at, and that is roughly in this area somewhere. Northern New York is getting some rain too, and southern Vermont, and then this is continuing across Connecticut and Massachusetts, and down into Pennsylvania. This same set of group of storms here, this system, and northwestern PA, a little bit. Williamsport's getting a little bit, and just west of Allentown, got a little rain there too. As we head south, New Jersey's pretty dry. Delaware's doesn't have much. Maryland looks pretty dry too. Washington, D.C., nothing much going on. Here in the northeast corner, West Virginia, got a shower. Looks like here in the Appalachians, Petersburg, got a little light rain shower. Virginia, most of Virginia is pretty dry. As we head out, the very western tip of Virginia, we got an intense, severe thunderstorm here. Stretches down into Tennessee here, northeastern Tennessee. New Tazewell. This one's near Sneedville. What is this, Dr. Seuss? Smoky Junction. And Pumpkin Center. I'm pretty sure I made a Dr. Seuss book now. Okay, anyway. North Carolina looks pretty dry. And South Carolina, we got thunderstorms stretching from Travelers Rest, Greer, Union, Chester, Rodman, Lando, Newbury, got a rain shower, Lawrence, South Carolina, Georgia, got a thunderstorm right over Jasper, Dawsonville, and then down to the south, we got a rain shower in the southern part of Georgia too. Florida, we got thunderstorm up here near Defuniak Springs, Hobbs Crossroad, Bounds Crossing, Union, Florida, and then scattered light rain showers here. And then as we get all the way south, southern Florida's got a thunderstorm. This thunderstorm's over the Everglades. There's not really. So I just got to warn the alligators and crocodiles to beware of the thunderstorm, I guess. And we got pretty heavy rain north of that. Big Cypress. Let's see what else. What else do we got going on here? Ohio's pretty dry. Indianapolis. Got a storm here. Brownston, Seymour, North Vernon, New Carrollton, Lancaster, Indiana. Thunderstorm there. Let's see here. Illinois. Southern Illinois got a thunderstorm over Olin. And this gets into Kentucky a little bit. Center, Paducah. And over here to Madisonville, we got a shower. And then I already pointed out these thunderstorms a little bit earlier. Missouri, this is the outflow of this storm here. Got just some light rain behind this storm here. Marble Hill, Chaffee, Advance, Missouri. Jefferson City looks pretty dry for now. Indianapolis, dry. Ohio, nothing much going on. Michigan, not much going on, including the UP is pretty dry. Wisconsin, not much going on in Wisconsin. Iowa, do have a little bit of rain shower from this line of storms here over in Nebraska, which I'll look at in a second. Minnesota's, I got some rain showers associated with the outflow of these thunderstorms. So I think these storms are going to be heading into Minnesota. I'll go ahead and animate that. Yep, these are traveling west to east. So it looks like Minneapolis, St. Paul is going to get some rain showers, possibly a thunderstorm later this evening. Maybe early this morning. Like, maybe, I'm going to say like 3 or, I'm not a forecaster, I'm just looking at the direction of this on the radar and going by what I see on the radar. Yeah, so this is headed to the east, and I don't know why it's doing that. You see it jumping around like that. That's not cool. Get down here, Nebraska. We got this thunderstorm over. Looks like it's approaching Hyannis. It's over Bingham Lakeside. We got this. It's like a stretched out thunderstorm here. I'm just gonna call this all one storm because this is a supercell. Ashby, Bud Ranch. There's no towns near this portion of it, at least on the map. This map, there's nothing mentioned that's out in the wilderness. South Dakota, this is all part of the same system here. This is over Rosebud, Winter, Platte, Hot Springs, Wall. Pierre's got a break for now. Looks like it's a storm, but the rain has passed. Aberdeen, we got a storm there too. Let's see what else we got. I might have a little bit of an echo, so I'll lower my volume a little bit. Let's see, Bismarck, North Dakota, Lisbon, North Dakota. This is a separate storm system up here in the northwest. Watford City, Williston, Belcourt getting some rain showers. Head over on to Montana. Billings getting a thunderstorm. This is that same line of storms. Culbertson. And these storms look like they're approaching Midway. There's nothing out here. There's no towns on the map. This is just roads and wilderness here in Montana. This is approaching Newland Junction, Montana. And let's see, this storm is just west of Billings, between Molt and downtown Billings out here in the hills. Park City, Edgar, Columbus got a little bit of thunderstorm. Let's see. Forest Green. This is out near Leadville. Here in the mountains. Drummond. This storm looks like it's approaching Helena. Great Falls is dry for now. Excuse me. Wyoming. Got some rain showers scattered across Wyoming. North. Looks like Yellowstone's getting some rain, a little sprinkle. We have a thunderstorm right here. Out in the middle of nowhere also. It's between Kerwin and Sunshine. And Cheyenne's got some rain showers. Down into Colorado. Denver. A storm just south of Denver. Callahan. And scattered rain showers across the rest of the western portion. We have a thunderstorm here between Pumpkin Center and Rush, and Rama and Lyman and Cedar Point, Colorado, New Mexico. Scattered rain showers, a couple of thunderstorms here. Western part of New Mexico. Arizona, yeah, thunderstorms Stretching from Blythe, Hilo Bend, Casa Grande is just, this is a line of storms all around Phoenix, Mesa, Chandler, Maricopa, and these, of course, bring flash floods with them. There's a couple of thunderstorms also out in the mountains in the middle of nowhere. Get further to the west, Yucca, Lake Havasu City, then Bullhead City, and then we start to get into California here. Let's see. This one's near Needles, just south of Needles, California. Nevada. Actually, Utah, while we're at the four corner states here. Moab, Cedar City. Got some rain showers approaching Salt Lake City and scattered rain showers pretty much almost all over the state. Las Vegas getting a little sprinkle. Power Rump got some thunderstorms there. This one's out in the middle of nowhere. There are no towns on the map near these. It's a Nevada Test and Training Range. Got a thunderstorm there with light rain showers to the west of it. And then scattered rain showers all to the north with a few lightning strikes here near Ely. Fallon, Hawthorne. This one's just to the east of Reno. Scattered rain showers across the rest of the state. California. These rain showers are right on the state line with Nevada and Arizona. Idaho, not too much going on. We do have a couple of rain showers here and there. Washington State, getting some much needed rain here in the eastern half, stretching from Ellensburg, Grand Coulee, Colville, Twisp. This gets up into Canada here. Alaska, southern Alaska, we got some rain here. Just there's not really a lot out here. There's no big cities or towns here to really mention. I guess Seward, Dillingham, little tiny villages getting some rain. Hawaii, Big Island, nothing there. Honolulu, no rain. Just a little bit out in the ocean here. Philippines getting their normal daily thunderstorms. Manila got a rain shower. Pretty heavy rain over Manila right now. And there's lightning with this. So keep an eye on that. Head over to Europe. England and Ireland. Just really light rain showers up here in Scotland. And the Eastern Islands here. Not Eastern, Western Islands, I mean. Here, Scotland. And I got a little rain shower just off the coast of Ireland to the west here. Iceland. Rain showers across the northern part here. Iceland, Reykjavik looks pretty dry. And head over to Canada. Got a little rain shower here in Newfoundland, Horner Brook, New Brunswick. Got a rain shower over thunderstorm, actually. I see a couple lightning strikes there. St. John, between St. John and Moncton, New Brunswick, Quebec. Got a thunderstorm over Ottawa. This one's near Maynooth. And this one's over this national park, or provincial park, I should say. Algonquin Provincial Park. Pretty big thunderstorm there. Heavy rain, possible hail, scattered rain showers here behind it and above it. And we got another one, Powassan. And this one's approaching South River, Deer Lake. Getting into Ontario here a little bit. Timmins, got a rain shower over Lake Superior. And another one just to the west of Thunder Bay, Lake Manitoba, and Dauphin got a rain shower in Manitoba. Swift Current got a rain shower, and some rain showers in southern Saskatchewan. Meadow Lake got a thunderstorm. Alberta got a patch and got a radar station out of service, it looks like. Got no data there. Red Deer, we got some rain. And scattered rain showers pretty much across the province there. Here in southern BC, got some rain showers. That's part of the same system that's in Washington State. Cranbrook, Nelson, Revelstoke, little thunderstorm there. Vancouver Island looks pretty dry. Go ahead and it's like this weather. The weather command is just exclamation W, by the way. And scattered rain showers across British Columbia. Go ahead and you can look at the weather watches and warnings real quick. Still flash flood warnings here in between Indiana and Virginia, but almost all of West Virginia, and a big portion of Kentucky. Flash flood warnings. We got temperature warnings here in the Plains states down into the south a little bit. Atlanta, thunderstorm warnings, or thunderstorm warnings, temperature warnings. Here in Nebraska, severe thunderstorm watches. Special weather statement for just looks mostly like heavy rain. I don't see any red boxes, but do have a square here. Penny-sized hail here in northeast Colorado, and severe thunderstorm watch here. This kind of stretches over into Wyoming a little bit. And flash flood warnings across the northern portion of Arizona. That's from the thunderstorms that are pretty much all across even in western New Mexico here. Gallup. Let's see, Idaho, you got some fire danger warnings. And this set of storms here, flash flood watches between Helena and Bozeman. And we got a box here. Let's see, special weather statement. Out here, North Stillwater, southwestern Yellowstone. Wind gust up to 40 mile an hour and half-inch sized hail. This does not include the city of Billings, which is, I don't know why, as it looks like it's going to head that direction anyway. See, this is right over Billings here, so that's, you're going to get it too in Billings. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm going to go ahead and animate it, and we'll watch which way it's directed towards. Yep, see, it's going to hit Billings, so yep, severe thunderstorm watches. And go ahead and switch back over to that real quick. There's storms in northern Washington, but they're not indicated in the weather warnings or watches. I don't know why. I don't. Maybe my map is just not up to date, but they don't look like they've been issued yet. There, Alaska. This is a temperature. This whole yellow area is a special weather statement for heat, including over here. Go ahead and switch to the temperature real quick. We still got hot weather here in the central portion of the United States. And of course, Northeast is, we're just skipping out on summer for now. It's nice and cool there. Got 66 in Ithaca, 70 in Harrisburg, 68 in Pittsburgh. Denton, 75 in Maryland. Richmond, 77. Raleigh, North Carolina, 75. Columbia is 80. Atlanta, 79. Macon, 80. Panama City, 86. In Florida, Pensacola is 84. Orlando, 82. Miami's 82. Cape Coral's 82. Mississippi, Jackson's 88. New Orleans and Louisiana, 84. Little Rock, Arkansas, 89. Memphis, Tennessee, 86. Nashville, 82. Knoxville, 79. Johnson City, 71. Frankfort, Kentucky, 73. Columbus, Ohio, 66. Indianapolis, 71. Lansing, Michigan, 70. Springfield, Illinois, 75. Madison, Wisconsin, 73. Green Bay, 73. Eau Claire, 73. St. Paul's, 80 degrees in Minnesota. International Falls, 66. Bismarck, North Dakota, 68. Here, South Dakota, 71. Columbus, Nebraska, 82. Topeka, Kansas, 82. Wichita, 93. Oklahoma City, 93. Houston, 84. Dallas, 95. Alpine, 77 in Texas. Albuquerque, New Mexico, 77. Alamogordo 80, Santa Fe 68, Farmington 79, Phoenix, Arizona is 86, Casa Grande 86, Tucson 77, Flagstaff 61, Prescott 66, Grand Canyon Village is 75 there. And get up into Utah. Moab 79, Salt Lake City 71, Denver, Colorado 77, Durango 66, Wyoming, Cheyenne 68, Rock Springs 70, Lake Village here in Yellowstone's 53, Helena 66, Great Falls 64, Billings 75, Miles City 71, Missoula 68, Idaho Falls 79, Twin Falls 82, Boise is 82, Washington, Seattle 71, Olympia 70, Kennewick 86, Oregon, Portland 73, Eugene 77, Klamath Falls 73, Nevada, Winnemucca's 82, Las Vegas is 95, California, Crescent City here on the very northwest corner is 57, Redding's 89, Sacramento 75, San Francisco 59, Mendota 88, Bakersfield 95, LA 71, Indios 97, Oceanside 71, Anchorage, Alaska 66, Kilauea volcano there 71, Honolulu 82, Tokyo, Japan's 80, Osaka's 86, Aomori's 80, Philippines, Palawan is 86 there, Manila's 82, Cebu City's 80, England and Ireland, London 70, Bradford 71, Glasgow 671, Aberdeen 62, Dublin, Ireland is 66, Belfast is 62, Reykjavik in Iceland is 55, St. John's, Newfoundland, as we head over to Canada, 61, Halifax 66, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick 62 in Fredericton, Quebec is 61, Ottawa 64, Toronto 70, Thunder Bay 62, Winnipeg 66, Swift Current is 59 in Saskatchewan, Edmonton, Alberta 57, Lethbridge 59, Calgary 55, Cologne 73 in BC, Vancouver 66, Victoria 64, Port Hardy 62. Let's go ahead and find our coldest temp in Greenland. I see -2, -1, I think -3, -4 right there. Hi, Galactic. Thank you. Yeah, looks like -4 there in Greenland. Close that. And we'll go ahead and end up on Toowoomba. Got 62 degrees in Toowoomba. Or 62, did I say something? 62 in Toowoomba. And that about covers it for the weather. If I missed your town, please put it in chat so I can remember it for later, and I'll try to focus in on that. But I don't see any special requests tonight. I'm looking. Yeah, I don't see anybody able to put any special request. So I really appreciate you all showing up, and everyone have a great evening. Thank you so much for being here.